Build stronger relationships and boost your business with customer loyalty. Your complete guide to mastering customer retention, now available for just $9.99. This book shows how to create personalized rewards, improve satisfaction, and build long-term loyalty that keeps customers returning. Learn strategies that help businesses increase retention, drive repeat sales, and grow their brand through trust and connection. Whether you run a small business or a growing brand, these loyalty methods will help you build a thriving community of happy customers. If you order day trading stocks, a path to financial freedom today, for just $49, you'll get 21 financial books free, worth over $200, to help build wealth for your family and business. Visit wmfinancialinfo.com now and start building loyalty and lasting success. Don't forget to follow our page and subscribe for more inspiring books, exclusive offers, and life-changing reads, only on wmfinancialinfo.com.